like there's no tomorrow.
Hello and welcome to our review of All-in-One Industrial Digital Microscope. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the features and capabilities of this versatile piece of equipment and showing you how it can be used in a variety of industrial settings. All-in-One Industrial Digital Microscope is a powerful tool for inspecting and analyzing materials and components at a microscopic level. It features a high-resolution camera and a range of magnifying lenses, as well as advanced imaging and analysis software. Let's start by taking a tour of the hardware. As you can see, the microscope has a sturdy and ergonomic design, making it easy to use and maneuver. The camera is built into the microscope and zoom lenses, depending on your magnification needs. Wireless connection to the software via Wi-Fi. The microscope module can be directly connected to a computer or mobile for image and video capture, and the LED ring light is also connected via the main body of the lens. Light source options. The LED polarizing light source can be switched to different modes to provide more powerful surface analyses, and the LED coaxial light module can provide more details on areas of inspection. Now let's take a look at the software. All-in-One Industrial Digital Microscope comes with a user-friendly interface that allows you to capture and analyze images and video with ease. You can adjust the lighting, contrast, and resolution to get the best possible image quality. You can also use the software to perform advanced measurements and analysis tasks, such as identifying defects. Now that we've covered the basics, let's see All-in-One Industrial Digital Microscope in action. Here we have a circuit board that we'll be inspecting for defects. As you can see, the microscope's high magnification and resolution allow us to clearly see even the smallest details on the surface of the board. The measurement function of this app is easy to use, allowing you to measure the exact features of the part. You can measure a distance, angle, width, and diameter by just clicking. This will save you time and energy by making your work easier. In conclusion, All-in-One Industrial Digital Microscope is a powerful and versatile tool for a wide range of industrial applications. Whether you're inspecting materials for defects, analyzing surfaces, or performing advanced measurements, All-in-One Industrial Digital Microscope has the capabilities you need to get the job done. Thank you for watching our review, and we hope you found it helpful.